Hello, I'm Anita from beandesigns.com. I'm here to help you create awesome digital scrapbook layouts using GIMP. In this video, I'm going to share with you a way to create a sticker title for your digital scrapbook page, like the one I have here on this layout. I created this by typing the title on 3 separate layers and then kind of butting those layers up next to each other, putting them onto a single layer, alpha to selecting that, expanding it, and filling in the background with a contrast color. Let me show you how I did that. So let's start by creating the original title. So I'm using the Stinky Cheese font. I'm going to use 250 pixels. I'm going to choose a dark brown. So you see that I have it already available, but let me show you how I selected it. So I just went over to my image and I clicked on a dark brown that shows up in my current, and I'm going to push OK. Then I'll go to my layout, and let's type the first line of text, weekend, and then I'm going to create a new layer, new line of text with, and I'm going to do another one, BB and Pops. And I did this because I wanted to be able to butt the lines up next to each other in a creative way, which I might not be able to do if I just used the tool offered here in GIMP. But when I put them each on their own layer, I can maneuver them exactly how I want. Because I like this width, and I'm just going to put that right here in this area here between, right in this little area here. And then I'm going to grab weekend and just kind of butt it up next to there. So if you can see the 3 lines here, they're all butted up next to each other. And if you look over in my layer palette, I have a layer that says weekend, a layer that says with, and then a layer that says BB and Pops. You can tell there's still text layers that are editable because they have this text icon next to them. I'm going to go to the top one, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say merge down. You'll see now that it is not a text layer. It is no longer editable. But that's okay because I'm done editing it. So this now is the layer. It has all 3 lines, and you can tell that because it has the yellow box outside it. So I'm going to right click on this layer once again, and I'm going to choose alpha to selection. It now selects all of my typing there, and I'm going to go over to the select menu. I'm going to grow that selection by 15 pixels. Let's push OK. So now we have the rotating box little pixels outside of our area. Let's create a new layer and make that transparent. So now on our new layer, we're going to use the paint fill tool, but we're going to need a lighter color. So let's go to our dropper tool and let's come over here and choose a color. And you can see, do you like that one? Push OK. Now make sure we're on the paint tool and we're going to fill that area. It filled it all because that's on top of our BB and Pop. So let's just left click and reorder that. And now we have our sticker title. We have the background piece and then the text on top of that. If you wanted that to be flat, like a sticker, don't put any drop shadow on it. If you wanted it to stand out just a little bit, you can definitely put a drop shadow on your title and it would pop out a little bit. You can see the difference here let me go ahead and let me zoom in on that, and so you can see this one has this one here that we just created has just a little bit of a drop shadow, so it kind of stands out a little bit. And this one is more of a sticker and it sticks flat onto the page. You can choose whichever one you prefer, but that's how you would do a sticker title. So if you found this tutorial helpful, go check out my other tutorials here on the YouTube channel and subscribe and click the bell if you'd like to be notified when new ones come out, because there will be more to come. I encourage you, continue preserving your memories for your future generations through your digital scrapbooking. Bye bye for now.